Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And this one we have s squared minus 7. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2u. This one that is about 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So number 2 and number 2, we divide both sides by number 2. This one that is about u. S ds we change for u du. So this one we have number 1. The integration of du that is about u, and we put about c that is about the constant. U that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.